In the modern project management landscape, digital tools are the backbone of efficiency and collaboration. ClickUp, as an all-in-one productivity platform, is designed primarily for digital consumption, a centralized hub where teams manage tasks, collaborate, and track progress online. However, despite the digital-first approach, the need for physical copies, reports, or simply a tangible overview hasn't entirely disappeared. This brings us to a common and practical question. Can I print from ClickUp? As a project management expert, I can confidently say yes, you can print from ClickUp, but it's important to understand the nuances and limitations of its printing capabilities. ClickUp isn't built as a dedicated printing application, but it offers various ways to get your data into a printable format, whether directly or through export options. Direct printing from the browser. For immediate, simple printouts of what you see on your screen, the most straightforward method is to use your web browser's print functionality. This applies to most views and individual task details within ClickUp. How it works: navigate to the desired view or task. Open the specific list view, board view, calendar view, or individual task you wish to print. Use browser print function. Press Ctrl+P on Windows or CMD+P on Mac, or go to your browser's menu and select Print. Adjust settings. Your browser's print dialog box will appear. Here you can usually select your printer. Choose to save as a PDF instead of printing directly. Adjust page layout, portrait/landscape. Select specific pages to print. Enable print background graphics in advanced settings to ensure all visual elements, like colors, logos, or certain formatting, are included. This is often crucial for a more accurate representation of your ClickUp view. What you can print this way. List view. You can print a list of tasks, though you may need to scroll down to load all tasks before printing to ensure everything is captured. Board view. This often prints as a series of columns, but the layout might not be ideal for complex boards, as visual swim lanes can be lost. Calendar view. Similar to board view, direct printing might not perfectly capture the visual layout of a large calendar. Some users opt for a workaround like making the calendar view public and then printing from the public link for better formatting. Individual tasks. When you open a task, you can use the ellipsis menu at the top right and select Print. This will generate a print-friendly version of the task details, including the description, custom fields, and attachments/comments, though image attachments and comments might not always render perfectly. ClickUp Docs. This is one of the best direct printing experiences. You can open a doc, click the Exports and Imports icon in the right sidebar, and select Print. This is designed to print a well-formatted version of your document. Limitations of direct browser printing. Layout fidelity. While it prints what's on screen, the layout might not always be optimized for paper. Complex views, especially those with many columns or intricate visual elements, like large Gantt charts, can be difficult to read when printed this way, often requiring multiple pages or becoming illegible due to scaling. Dynamic content. Interactive elements or content that requires scrolling, like long comment threads, may not be fully captured without manual effort. Gantt charts. Printing large Gantt charts directly from the browser often results in a very small, unreadable chart on a single page, or a multi-page printout with poor alignment. This is a common pain point for users. Exporting for better print control, PDF, CSV, XLSX. For more control over formatting, for creating professional reports, or for printing large datasets, ClickUp's export capabilities are your best friend. You can export data in various formats and then print from the application that opens the exported file. Key export options for printing. Exporting to PDF. Dashboards. ClickUp allows you to save entire dashboards or dashboard views as PDFs. This is excellent for executive summaries or status reports. You can download the PDF directly or have it emailed to you. ClickUp Docs. As mentioned, docs can be exported as PDFs or HTML/Markdown from the Exports and Imports menu. This is ideal for printing detailed project plans, meeting minutes, or knowledge base articles. Individual tasks. You can print an individual task to PDF using the Print option within the Task Ellipsis menu, which effectively saves it as a PDF, exporting to CSV or XLSX, Excel. List views/table views. You can export data from a list or table view as a CSV, comma-separated values, or XLSX, Excel spreadsheet, file. Navigate to the desired space, folder, or list. In the top right corner of the view, click Customize. Select Export View. Choose CSV or XLSX. Click Download. What this gives you: a raw data dump of your tasks, including custom fields, assignees, due dates, etc. How it helps with printing. Once you have this data in Excel or a similar spreadsheet program, you have full control over formatting. You can sort and filter the data, adjust column widths and row heights, create custom reports using Excel's charting and formatting tools. Print exactly what you need with precise layout control. This method is particularly useful for printing large task lists or creating custom reports that aren't available as direct print options in ClickUp. Other export options. ClickUp also offers broader workspace data exports, often in JSON format, and time tracking data exports. While these are less about direct printing in the traditional sense, the data can be manipulated in external tools and then printed if needed. Expert tips for printing from ClickUp. Filter before you print/export. To avoid printing unnecessary information, always apply relevant filters to your view before initiating a print or export. This ensures you only get the data you need. Use the right view. For task lists, the list view generally offers the cleanest printout. For visual overviews, dashboards exported to PDF are often best. Consider Save as PDF. Instead of printing directly to paper, always consider Save as PDF first. This allows you to review the layout, ensure everything is captured correctly, and then print the PDF if a physical copy is still desired. PDFs are also excellent for sharing digital versions of reports. For complex Gantt charts, if you absolutely need a printable Gantt chart, you might need to zoom out within ClickUp's Gantt view to fit more on the screen. Then use your browser's Print to PDF function. However, the results can still be challenging for very large projects. Some users resort to third-party tools or integrations that specialize in generating printable Gantt charts from project data. Leverage docs for detailed reports. If you need to print a detailed project report with rich text, images, and structured information, create it as a ClickUp doc and then use the doc's built-in print or PDF export features. This will give you the most polished printable output.